young people in your community are peer pressured socially into using drugs?
Yeah, I do, because there's a lot of young people that are like easily led into doing this because of their friends like taking them, so then their friends try and get them into doing it as well, and then they just think because like all their friends are doing it, they might as well, so that would lead them to do it more.
Are drugs easily accessible in Limavady?
Yeah, they are. Around our community there's so many drug dealers that they don't care who they're selling to, age or anything. Money is money to them, that's it.
Would there be young people selling drugs?
Yeah, there's just everybody. They just think that the older ones are doing it, so they may do it as well.
What age is the youngest drug dealer that you know?
I think it starts around 15, 16.
Are there any facilities to help drug addicts in your area?
No, they're more in the cities than in towns. Cities like Londonderry, Belfast, etc. and towns like Limavady don't.
Do you think it would be a benefit if you could have something like that in your area?
Yes,
Why?
because it would stop illegal drugs from lying around the place, and drug addicts would get help.
What other effects does drug misuse have on your community?
It could cause school dropouts, lead to suicide and antisocial behaviour.
Can you make a difference to this problem? And how?
Yeah, with like more and more people using social media these days, you can like raise awareness on how bad drugs can actually be and like how they change lives. Yeah, for my youth group to support more drug awareness programs.
I'm part of the youth forum and I would like politicians to step forward and take action on the misuse of drugs in my community.
I'm also a member of the youth forum, and I would like to push for the bins to dispose of misused prescription drugs.
I'm going to actively go out of my way to make sure my friends don't take any drugs.
Yeah, during school I'm going to talk to teachers to see if we can start a club to raise drug awareness.